Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore Dataset Management TaskMonk platform. A project batch can be in one of the following states: active, pending, completed, and so on. Now, let's take a look at some batch options. The Export Project Output feature allows you to download project results using a variety of useful filters, making it easier to export exactly the data you need. The available filters include batch, format, fields, duration, and several other options. Apply the filters as needed and click Download. The export process will begin, and once it is complete, you can download the file using the generated download link. Next, let us look at another useful option called Task Lookup. Select a field and enter the value you want to search for. If matching data exists, the corresponding task details will be displayed. There are no results for this value in the database. The Cloud Storage Configuration feature allows you to import tasks directly from a cloud storage location into the platform. Once you configure the required fields, a cloud option will appear in the Import dropdown. To import data from the cloud space, specify the folder name where our data resides and the file extension. Then click Import to begin the process. Each batch also provides options to edit, delete, and manage privilege access. In addition, the Export option lets you download batch data using a variety of useful filters. The View Batch Tasks option displays detailed information about the tasks within a batch, including the task ID, next level, status, and the corresponding input and output fields. You can also see the different status codes at the top of the page and use the available page filters to quickly locate and review specific tasks. The View Batch Documents option displays all documents uploaded as part of the batch. Click on View icon. From here, you can view documents in full screen mode. We also have Delete and Download options for the documents. The Import Output option allows you to upload task outputs directly to the required level using Excel or CSV files. Simply select the appropriate file and click Import to complete the process. Now let's look at the other options available in the Batch Config section. The Export Customer option allows you to download batch output using a variety of filter options, such as format, date, and others. Apply the required filters and click Download. Once the export is complete, the exported data will be available along with a download link. Now, let's look at Batch Upload Document. Choose Upload Doc from the Batch Config list. Enter a name for the document, say Reference to, browse the doc and select the file you want to upload. Then click Upload Document. To verify the upload, navigate to the View Batch Documents section. You will be able to see the newly uploaded document. Next, the Change State option allows you to move a batch from its current state to any permissible state. For example, let's change this batch to the active state. Once the change is applied, you can see the batch listed under the active category. In the same way, a batch can be moved from the active state to the completed state. Now you will see it under the completed category. We also have an option called Add Users, which is available specifically for privileged batches. Let's select a privileged batch and add users by choosing them from the drop-down list and clicking Save. To verify, navigate back to the Add Users section to see the users. Next, let's look at the Golden Batch option. You can mark a batch as a golden batch by setting the True option. The batch will be marked with a golden tag. An output directory can be created to store batch outputs in a cloud location. Enter the folder name and click Save. You can verify the created folder in the same section. If required, you can modify the folder details using the Edit option and save the updated information. Next, we have the Task Deletion option. Let's copy a task ID that we want to remove from the batch. Enter the task ID in the text field and click Delete. To verify the deletion, navigate to the View Batch Tasks section. You will see that the task has been removed from the batch and only the remaining tasks are displayed. The Reset Batch option allows you to reset tasks to a different level in the workflow. Select the required level and click Reset. Next, in the Task Submission Message section, enable the option and add or customize the message as needed. Let us add our message in the text field here. Once you have configured the message, click Submit. You can navigate back to the same section to verify that the message has been saved successfully. Next, let's explore the Gallery View option. This view displays the input and output data in an easily accessible format. Use output filters to narrow down the results. To view a visualization, simply click on the output image. The panel also provides options such as Regenerate and other related actions. Let's load a task from the Gallery view. Selecting the task navigates you directly to the task page. Let us look at other options in Gallery view. Other options available in the Gallery view include Download Dataset and Regenerate Output. The Download Dataset option allows you to download the data with its visualizations. Next, we have the Move Tasks option, which allows you to move tasks from the current level to a target level. The batch status is automatically updated based on the changes you make. Now you will see the batch under Active State. Finally, the Custom Message option helps you configure a custom message for the batch. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.